A mass airflow sensor works by heating a small internal wire to measure the exact volume and density of air entering your car engine. This data tells the computer how much fuel to inject. If this tiny sensor gets dirty or fails, your engine is essentially flying blind. It will guess the wrong air-to-fuel ratio, causing terrible gas mileage, rough idling, hesitation when you accelerate, and eventually a dead engine. You will find the mass airflow sensor, or MAF, bolted directly to the air intake tubing. It sits right between your engine's main air filter box and the throttle body. Every single ounce of air must pass through it. Inside the plastic housing, the sensor uses a specialized platinum hot wire. The engine computer constantly sends an electrical current through this wire to keep it heated to a very specific high temperature. When you step on the gas, outside air rushes past this heated wire and cools it down. To maintain that target temperature, the computer has to send more electrical current to the wire. The computer measures exactly how much extra electrical current is needed to keep the wire hot. It translates that electrical change into a precise measurement of the incoming air mass. Using this exact airflow data, the computer calculates the perfect amount of gasoline to spray from the fuel injectors. This guarantees a clean, powerful combustion stroke every single time the spark plugs fire. Over time, microscopic dirt and oil particles can bake onto the hot wire, insulating it and ruining the sensor's accuracy. Spraying the wire with a dedicated electronic cleaner is often a quick, inexpensive fix for a rough-running engine.